Want to make your text dramatically blow away like it's being carried by the wind? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a stunning blow away text animation in CapCut Mobile. Let's get started. Step number 1. Open CapCut Mobile and create a new project or open an existing one. Tap the text, then select Add Text. Type the word or phrase you want to animate and customize the font, size, and color to match your video style. Now for the next step, select the text layer and tap Animation. Choose Out Animation to control how the text leaves the screen. Look for animations such as fade out, scatter, fly away, disperse, or similar effects available in your CapCut version. Apply the animation and adjust the duration to create smooth disappearing effect. Now for the next step. To enhance the illusion of text being blown away, tap Effects and browse through the Video Effects section. Look for effects like motion blur, wind, particle, dust, or smoke. Apply the effect during the moment when the text disappears. Play your animation to see the final result. And that's how you create a blow-away text animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more CapCut editing tips. See you in the next tutorial. And may the Lord God bless you.